Hi, good morning. If you think that my voice is a little bit better today or chipper, it's because in the distance I see Santiago. And I'm walking with my friends Kate and Arlene, and we've just been having a great time. Say hi.
Hey! Great walking with you.
So, yeah, we're basically, according to the last indicator, it looks like it was about 12K away, which for people back home, it's probably somewhere between 7 and 8 miles. But it looks like we're on the downward slope, and we're walking next to the E1 AP9 freeway, it looks like. And over to our left, which you can't see, except for somebody taking a leak in the bushes, is the airport. So, yeah, we're on the outskirts. You can almost taste the pulpo and beer. So that, I'm going to show you, there's a little indication of the freeway. Pretty exciting. So it's a little overcast, but you know what? It's a beautiful day for a hike into Santiago, and it doesn't look like, I mean, the sun is breaking out, body's feeling pretty good, and believe it or not, out of this whole trip, I haven't had a single hot spot. Oh, hold on. Told you we were by the airport. So, I haven't had a single hot spot the entire trip, and this morning I got a crinkle in one of my socks on my left Achilles. So it's been, I've been carrying this like 3-pebble family in my left foot, rocks, and I tried getting them out this morning. I have no idea where they're hiding in my shoe. So I think they've actually moved out, but this hot spot has moved in. So I'm going to get to Santiago and lance that son of a... And so I can't say any of that stuff because people will hear this. So anyways, we're on our way in. It's a beautiful day. Gonna see friends from yesterday, friends from today. Hopefully the Australian sisters will catch up. If not today, then tomorrow. Want to see them. And definitely want to talk to Tim and Paula. Give them the heads up and tell them that I'm still alive. And yeah, so beautiful day. Enjoy it. I'll see you guys later.